In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to snap to pixel in Figma. Clean, crisp edges. Start with landing your layers on whole pixel coordinates, so let's get your canvas set up the right way. First, turn on Snap to Pixel Grid. Look to the top right of Figma, next to the zoom percentage, and open the View menu from that drop-down. In that list, choose Snap to Pixel Grid. With this enabled, any object you move or place, frames, shapes, icons, and text boxes, will try to align to the nearest whole pixel as you drag. You'll notice positions settle on clean numbers instead of decimals, which is exactly what you want for sharp exports. If you prefer a quick toggle, use the shortcut. On Mac, press Command plus Shift plus apostrophe. On Windows, press Control plus Shift plus apostrophe. That lets you switch snapping on or off instantly while you work. If an existing layer already sits on a half pixel, just nudge it and release. Snapping will pull it onto the grid. When you're doing precise icon or border work, keep snapping on. If you're exploring loose placements, toggle it off momentarily and turn it back on when you're ready to finalize. Either way, your movement stays predictable. Next, make the pixel grid visible so alignment is easier to see. Open that same View menu and enable Pixel Grid. The grid appears when you're zoomed to around 400% or higher, and each square represents a single pixel. You can toggle it without menus, using Command plus apostrophe on Mac or Control plus apostrophe on Windows. When the grid is visible, it becomes very clear whether edges are landing cleanly on pixel boundaries as you nudge or reposition layers. Here's what Snap to Pixel Grid is actually doing. It affects movement and placement, steering objects to whole pixel coordinates rather than half pixels. That simple difference prevents the sub-pixel rendering that causes blurry or fuzzy edges in exported graphics. Keep in mind, the pixel grid does not need to be visible for snapping to work. The behavior stays active in the background as long as the setting is turned on. Also note that some items, like frames and a few other objects, may still snap to whole pixels regardless of this setting because of how Figma handles them internally. If they already feel sticky to the grid, that's expected. With Snap to Pixel Grid enabled and the pixel grid there when you need a closer look, your interface elements will land cleanly and your exports will look crisp at any size. That's all you need to keep your designs perfectly aligned down to the pixel.